Day 38, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. This is bad. I found a high-ticket product to promote in this page. The name is muncheye.com and the commission was a lot, like $3,000 per sale. So I said, this is interesting. So I went to Google to look for reviews and I didn't find any reviews. And I started to do some research about the product and the company. And because I was the first person who wrote about this keyword, I ranked in the first spot on Google. The launch of the product was in October, and I started to write about it on March. And I started to update my article for 7 months straight. And when the launch came, I wrote an email to this company because I needed my affiliate links to promote this product. And do you know what happened? They respond me, how big is your email list? How many emails do you have? And at that time, I had like 50 emails. So I wrote to this company, I have 50 emails. And they respond to me, you can't promote this product because we want affiliates who has 10,000 people or more in their email list. That's when I realized I need more emails.